Welcome back everyone. So here I just wanted to deal with mechanical fasteners, that is hardware, screws and holes. Right now I just want to add the hardware. I'll select it and I'll select M10 as my hardware size and the type as hex bolt. I'll click on OK. It's M10 for me. Choose it. Click OK. You can able to please see M10 and you can specify the dimension, specify the rotation is 0 for me, like this. It's 0 and enter. Like this you can able to specify the hardwares. Then you can even choose holes as well as the screws. I'll deal with the screws. You can even define it, so let me just define as M10. You can see the preview. You can click on OK and you can place wherever you exactly needed it. I'll snap this point and I'll select this point. There's something wrong, went over there. Just escape to remove that. And I'll try with this again. These configurations I need. Try to add it over here. Yep. So like this you can able to add the nuts and bolts by using mechanical smart fasteners. Thank you for watching.